Okay, so here's Abel taking over my mom's bed. Hi, kitty. Well, this is my cat. He seems to think he's king of the bed. Aren't you, Abel? Are you king of the bed? Taking over everybody's bed? You bad kitty? Mr. Bad Kitty? You taking over the bed? Well, it's Abel. You snoozing? You gonna snooze? Are you comfy? Are you comfy, kitty? Yeah, Mr. Comfy Kitty. Abel, you comfy? Go, yes, I'm comfy. Now get that camera out of my face or I'm gonna kick your butt. I'm grumpy, Abel. Get the camera out of my face. Okay, I'm comfy. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, Abel, you took over the bed. Okay. Yeah, Abel took over the bed.